everyone, I am Miss Sonam and today we are going to talk about phrasal verb. So let's begin. In this video, we are going to learn 10 phrasal verbs related with clothes. So let's get started. To put on. Put on. Put on means to dress oneself in clothes. मतलब कपड़े पहनना.
I put on my favorite dress.
Slip into. Slip into means to put on clothes easily or quickly. जल्दी या फिर आसानी से कपड़े पहन लेना. Slip into.
Let me slip into something more comfortable.
Fold up. Fold up. To put clothes in a pile and press them firmly with your hands so they are no longer creased. कपड़ों को अपने हाथ से तय लगाना. Fold up. Will you help me fold up the clothes? Pull on. Pull on. To put clothes on quickly. Slip into जैसा ही है ये भी. To put clothes on quickly. जल्दी से कोई कपड़ा पहन लेना. To put shoes on quickly. To put gloves on. She pulled on her gloves. She pulled on her gloves. To put on clothes quickly. I pulled on the gloves and now I am taking off. Take off means to remove clothes. कपड़े उतारना. Take off. I am taking off the gloves. Hang up. Hang up. To put clothes on hanger or hook. To put clothes on hanger or hook. कपड़ों को hang करना या फिर hook में लगाना. Hang up your shirt before it wrinkles. Hang up your shirt before it wrinkles. Get dressed. Get dressed. To put on clothes in preparation for going out for something. To put on clothes in preparation for going out for something. कहीं बाहर जाने के लिए, किसी इवेंट में, किसी पार्टी में, किसी फंक्शन में जाने के लिए जब आप कपड़े पहनते हैं, that is get dressed. Get dressed. It's time to get dressed and go for a party. Try on. Try on. Try on means to put on clothes to check if they fit or look good on you. मतलब कोई कपड़े को पहन के चेक करना कि वो आप पे फिट आ रहा है या फिर आप पे अच्छा लग रहा है या नहीं. Try on. She likes trying on her mom's clothes. Go with. Go with. Suit each other. मतलब मिक्स हो जाना या फिर साथ में अच्छा लगना. ऐसा लगना कि वो एक ही पार्ट है, एक ही कपड़े का पार्ट है. Go with. Your shoes are not going with that outfit. Wrap up. Wrap up. To put on warm clothes. To put on warm clothes. गरम कपड़े पहनना. गरम कपड़े पहनने के लिए phrasal verb हम यूज करते हैं wrap up. Wrap up. Make sure you wrap up in the cold wind. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.